Sanji's kitchen and who's ready for soup? Are you ready for soup? I really hope so. Today we are doing one of the most important dishes that actually got Sanji part of Luffy's crew. We are doing the staff soup. Can you tell that I'm excited? No, I'm not. Because here is what you need for this soup in particular. You need 1 sea bream head. You also need 1 sheet of kombu, which is basically seaweed.
Not basically, it is.
Fuck you. You also need 2 turnips. You also need 6 asparagus pencil spears. You also need half a lemon, but here's the thing. This lemon is only for garnish, so we're removing it because I don't like that I have to waste a whole lemon. So no thank you. You also need some water for boiling, which we already put in this pot. You also need a little bit of salt, and you also need a little bit of soy sauce. I'm so happy. No, I'm not today. One of the first things you're going to do is you're going to soak your sheets of kombu in the water for half an hour, which there's to be calls for 1 sheet, which is supposed to be 4 by 4. I put 2 just in case to be sure because there's so many seaweeds at the market that we went to. So much seaweed, I am so terrified. Look at it, listen. And the next thing we have to do is just to slice the bream head into pieces if necessary, but luckily enough, okay, I know this isn't a visual or audio podcast, however you're listening to this, but I'm putting a trigger warning for those who do not like seeing cut up once alive fish, such as me. Luckily enough, the place that we went to was able to nicely trim this wonderful sea bream for us, because we just need the head for stock. The fillets are going to go to my in-laws' parents, who has graciously loaned us this kitchen, because if you hadn't guessed, we're not in our normal kitchen because I have counter space at last.
We'll be filming some here, some in the kitchen.
Some here, some in the kitchen, whenever we go, but also here is the fish in question. If you don't want to look at it, I totally understand. What are you doing, Rosen? Stop it! Stop it! I have no control of my cameraman right now. Man! We went to Missouri Marketplace. We are not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
They managed to nicely. This fish usually comes whole, so they actually managed to trim the head and trim some fillets off to the side for us, along with some spines, which they said that will help with the broth. So, I guess who has to really handle a head?
Phrasing?
The sea bream head is only for the water that's in this pot only, and then you don't have to use the head anymore.
That's not true.
No, it's true. Look at it.
No, Casey, it says pour water from 1 and sea bream into the same pot.
No, this one in the soup. The water in here.
The point is you use the water and the sea bream again.
No. Anyway, we're gonna cut this for a second because I don't know how to turn this on. Okay, for this step, you have to cut the turnips into wedges, and apparently, where we went, we were supposed to use the greens on, but I bought some without it, so it makes it easy. So we're gonna cut them into wedges. I've also never had turnips before, so I'm excited.
Neither have I don't think. It's a derp.
I can't smell them.
I think I'm smelling the asparagus because they're right next to me. Just be sure, you realize you still have the sunglasses on, right? And there we are.
Forget that I ever wore sunglasses for that one section. Basically, it says you're supposed to peel the bottom third of asparagus and then slice into 2-inch pieces. Honestly, I think we're just gonna go about 2/3 up to where the stem is, and then cut.
So we're doing the bottom 2/3.
I don't know anymore.
Just cut those things in half. It's that easy.
Yeah, we're just gonna, because I think we just need the tops.
No, it says you need the bottoms.
I don't know anymore.
You can have the recipe in front of you. Maybe they just mean all of it.
Oh. This is not gonna work out from peel. It says a peel. We're just gonna cut them in the same size as this. So this is gonna be very, very
about 2 inches.
Yeah. We're literally gonna be having such a very hairy, soupy thing. But also, dear God Almighty, why must the dish be so complicated? I don't know. I don't know. We have to now.
Fish.
Why is it looking at me?
Blub.
That's not helping, Rosen. Issac, he's being mean to me. My husband's being mean to me.
It's not gonna bite you.
You don't know that.
It's dead! It's decapitated and cut into pieces.
Have you seen horror films?
Are we in one?
Possibly.
Let me get a wider shot.
You know, I always thought, if I was ever on MasterChef, I thought, oh, they'll teach us how to play the fish shopping.
It's MasterChef! The implication is you already know!
No, MasterChef is a home cooking show.
Hashtag not sponsored.
No. It's more, they teach home cooks how to become top chefs.
Fair enough.
That's the point. Can you put it in?
Yeah, take the camera.
I hate this. You should not have gone closer.
I didn't realize there's that much water in the pot. Please move, I need to wash my hands.
Jesus Christ, sweetie. It's in there. And now we let it boil until the water becomes white. I don't like it. Okay, we're gonna take this off, and where should I put this lid?
Put it on the counter.
On that spoon, right?
Well, you don't have to be put next to the spoon.
Okay, I'm so scared.
Here, let me help you.
Oh dear.
There you go. Right there.
There we go. Oh, its fin is sticking up. That's pleasant. That's not pleasant at all.
Is it Steve?
And then you have to take the head that's already cooked and put it in, transfer it to a cold bowl, and make sure that there's no, and then scrub it in the bowl to make sure you get any stains or blood out of it. So, are you ready?
Sure. Assuming we're doing this right. Are we doing this right? I want you to make sure before we stir this up. We'll get one shot.
When the surface becomes white, remove and place in another bowl of cold water, then scrub clean to remove blood and stains.
Okay, so we're keeping the water in the pot?
Yes.
Alright.
That is the most traumatized experience. I don't think I'm gonna get out of it because we had to scoop this thing off camera.
Fish?
Just no. I don't like this at all. And then you're supposed to clean. I don't know if you already cleaned the blood out of it. I don't.
Wait! They said it was clean!
Oh.
We bought it clean! We didn't need to do this! It's a fish, not a serial killer.
Or is it?
His response? Blub.
Just pour water from there and the sea bream, which I assume is the stuff that's for the sea bream, into the same pot, and then
Put all the ingredients in the pot.
skim the stuff off the top. Yes, you're supposed to skim that stuff that's sitting there on the top.
Skim that scum then.
In a moment.
You can skim.
Oh.
It's not that bad.
You smell the seaweed water then.
It smells like the ocean.
Okay.
You're pouring the water in there too?
I have to pour the water in, kids, don't pour water over something hot.
Yeah.
Why measuring cups?
Yeah. It's probably a good idea to not pour something into an incredibly hot bowl of water.
This is good.
You may want to just pour it in. It's gonna take. You may want to just pour it in.
No.
Let's dissolve it. And the longer you do that, the longer it's gonna just rip apart.
It's too late.
Just pour it in, honey.
It's too late. I'm committed.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
I am not putting a fish head in there. It has dead eyes now. Look at it. No. This is my father-in-law, John. I'm trying here, John. It's hard. hard. He wants me to put this head back in there.
I didn't get it on camera, but he just nodded.
God damn, you want me to put the head in there?
Yes!
I need to skim the soft poppet first, but oh my god.
Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Yeah, I did that too.
We don't need that thing. But now I have to skim everything off the top. Thank you, but also like, yeah. This is
gonna be fun in editing, I can tell.
I suffer from art. Once this comes to a boil, you try and skim as much as you can, which I'm gonna continue doing. And in this case, though, you're going to take your turnips that you've already chopped ahead of time, and you're gonna. Oh, I hate this. The head made a jump scare. You're going to go very, very gentle. Ooh, I'm okay. You're going to put the turnips in to the water. Slow and steady. I hate this. I hate this. Oh, I hate this. And then you just keep it like that, and then you're gonna let it cook for like 10 minutes, I think. I don't remember. Yeah, 10 minutes. You're gonna simmer. You're going to skim regularly. And if you're wondering if I'm doing this as a bit, no, for some reason, I'm okay with fish or seafood that does not have the head. Because it knows it is not looking at me while I kill it or cook it. But in this case, it still has the head, and so it's freaking me out. But for the next 10 minutes, just do let it be on simmering while you're trying to skim everything, while the turnips and everything cook. This is a very weird soup, guys. A very weird soup. Okay, it has been about 10 minutes and we are still trying to do the skimming very closely. At least we're using that bowl for something, but once I take a little bit more of the skim, like so, we're gonna put our asparagus in, and then we cook this for another 5 minutes. Yay! It smells so bad. Now that it's fully cooked, the last thing that we need are... Oh, I don't know the salt and pepper shaker, but we need salt and pepper, so we need to do some salt. So 2 teaspoons. I'm not sure how many, so just right now I'm eyeing. I hate the fish head is looking at me. Okay, you just need a little bit of soy sauce. You're going to be using less sodium, so you can use whatever soy sauce you want. We're just going to use the low sodium kind. And the goodness is that usually with a cap, it's about a teaspoon, so we're just going to be gentle and do about half of it, and then we're going to gently pour it in. We're just going to mix everything. I will say off camera, this starts smelling more like asparagus than fish. But either way, it does recommend that you can serve it with the sliced lemons. We're not doing that because I'd rather... I don't know either, but are we ready to taste this? I'm definitely not getting any bowls. We're just gonna take a spoon and just go that way.
Okay, where's the spoon?
This is your house.
The metal spoon?
Just use 1 spoon.
Fork and a spoon, here we go.
We can cut this. Yeah, just take it like a sip.
Mainly tastes asparagus.
How?
3, 2, 1. It's not that bad.
It tastes nothing.
Yeah, it kind of tastes nothing. That's the thing.
Which is weird because I put salt and soy sauce in it.
And I don't know why it's just nothing. I'm giving this.
Wait. There's like a tiny bit of aftertaste of
Asparagus, right?
I get more aftertaste of fish.
Oh, it's okay. I don't hate it. Do you hate it?
I really, honestly, for after all of the torture I've had for this whole segment, I was also gonna give this an F.
I give this like a C.
I give this a D, honestly.
D is right, yeah.
Because honestly,
D is like neutral.
I think it's because for what I think for soup, I think they should be hearty. There should be some carrots. There should be some celery.
Yeah.
But turnips and asparagus doesn't seem like a good soup.
This is kind of hot fish water.
Basically, it just tastes like hot fish water. If you want, honestly, maybe the lemon could have added something.
I think the lemon would work, yeah.
We didn't really get lemon, but I feel like, full honesty, this is a D. It's alright, but otherwise, like, I don't think I would do this again. But thank you for joining us for today. Next time? What's the next time?
Octopus.
Octopus.
Going immediately after this.